This is the most creative invention I have ever seen. Using only 2 spark plugs and a round magnet, it makes the bulb light up. Such an invention can save a lot of money on electricity bills in rural areas. I'm going to share the process with you. First, prepare 2 spark plugs and a small coil of copper wire and a base for the light bulb. Then use hot melt glue to attach the spark plugs to the wooden board. Use more glue to avoid loosening. Then use a small tube and wrap the copper wire around it a few times. Then take the wire off and stretch it a little. Then put a little incense on both ends of the wire. Then solder the copper wire to the spark plug. Then take out 2 identical lengths of power cable. Connect them to the base of the bulb. Then put hot melt glue in the base screw holes. Fix it to the wooden board. Then remove the protective glue from the power cable. Solder to the other end of the spark plug. Finally, twist the bulb on. Take out the round magnet and put it close to the spark plug. See how it works. This is an invention that makes the bulb light up without using electricity. To light up without electricity. And there you have it. Isn't it amazing? If you like it, share it with others.